Again, the top 3 fastest this season for under 18. Mario Ross, 21.00, followed by Jason Pitter, 21.03. That time, though, into a negative 1.8. And Tyler Morgan was the 3rd fastest at 21.35, no surpassed by Trey Barrett.
Under 20 girls 200 final coming up. This one includes the joint 3rd fastest junior in history at 200 meters. Shanoya Douglas, the Jamaican junior record holder at 22.11, 3 times the Carifta Games champion at this event, World Under 20 silver medalist from 2 years ago in Lima, Peru. She's in lane number 5. She is the class of the field. Could be quite a battle for second with Sashana Johnson of Hydel in lane number 7, Natrice East of Wilmers in lane number 6.
So we should remind the viewers, listeners, that in 2nd place behind Shanoya Douglas was Tiana Lee Terrelong in the 100 meters. She's not here. 3rd and 4th were Natrice East and Johnson, who are both here. So the running lane 6, does she go for it? Does she try to improve her national junior record set at the Carifta Games, 22.11? Or does she just go for the win? And who gets second? And neither Johnson or East in 7 and 6 respectively got in the top 2 for the 100 meters and are desperately fighting to get that break onto the Jamaican World Junior, World Under 20 team.
Natrice East has improved her 100 personal best to 11.21, but it's been a couple of seasons she hasn't improved her 200 PB, which is 23.27.
Only in quotes running 23.39 this year, a bit faster than Shoshana Johnson's 23.51. So 2 races to watch in this, viewers. Shanoya Douglas going for as good a time as she can get, 22.11. And I expect about 1 second later, we'll see Natrice East in 6 going down on the line with the young lady from Hydel.
Set.
Shoshana Johnson.
Away they go for the under 20 girls 200 final. Shanoya Douglas, 11.08 at 100 meters, has already gone to work. Covers Natrice East and Sashana Johnson, who has run a fine curve as well. Shanoya Douglas down the home stretch. Natrice East and Sashana Johnson battling for second. Douglas ahead of Johnson. 22.55. She completes another sprint double. Champs, Carifta, and now the Nationals at the under 20 level. This superb talent, now representing Holland High School, produces another outstanding effort as she wins the under 20 girls 200 meters.
We expected Shanoya Douglas to be way out front, and she did that. However, Shoshana Johnson and Natrice East were a little closer than some may have suspected, and I suspect they both may have been really close to personal best performances. Shanoya Douglas wins 22.55, 23.01. For Shoshana Johnson would be a big personal best, threatening that 23-second barrier. And Natrice East would also have gotten her personal best, which was 23.01 to 23.07. Big PBs in 2nd and 3rd. A spectacular bit of racing there. Truthfully, I don't think Shanoya was pressed, but she was pleased with a 22.56 victory.
Positive 0.3 meters per second, the wind speed. Johnson 23.01, East 23.07. Lindsay of Alphonsus Davis finishing in 4th at 24.29.
What's the opposite of the commentator's curse?